Hello, IELTS test achiever. Today, I will talk about IELTS listening section. You know what? It's one of the most interesting topic, and because many of the people feel that it's one of the most problematic thing for them to understand that listening section, and the main reason is so simple. At that time, the people have to understand the native speaker. They have a different accent. They need to go with the different components of their dialects. The people are using the different intonation pattern. That's the reason. Many of the Pakistani candidates specifically wouldn't feel comfortable to understand the listening section. So today, I'm just going to talk about this section that helping you improve your listening section in a very great way. First and foremost, let's familiarize ourselves with the listening section, that what kind of test we need to attempt and what we have to do within that section. Today, I'm going to talk about that what exactly in the listening section and what we have to do. So this test would be based on 4 different sections. The first part would be based on conversation, second would be based on monologue, third would be a group discussion, and the fourth would be based on a proper presentation skill. And yes, being a person that who is belonging towards the native language of Urdu, I prefer that 4th section is basically a bhashan. So you have to be careful about it. Native speaker within that language trying to give you the lecture. So be careful that उसमें आपको throughout listening के 4 section whether you have to just listen to the native, a very technical conversation, a very empathetic thing for you to go ahead. So be careful about that. It's something problematic for you. Only the 4 section. Otherwise, 3 sections is sufficient for you to crack it out. For getting a very great band, keep in mind create a very conducive environment for yourself. Just because the more attractive and the more attentively you start focusing on us listening, the more great bands you're gonna get. Just because you have to sit at the place where there would be no noise and nobody is trying to have a conversation with you, try to pay a lot of attention to the listening section. Because the more you pay attention to the native, the more you got a good bands. And yes, there's an only thing that will improve your comprehension of the listening section. As you answer the question, so keep in mind, stay focused and attentive, because whatever you are getting in the very first attempt, you just need to capture all the answer within the very first attempt. Don't try to make yourself puzzle, and don't try to get a lot of answer who will obviously create a distraction for you. So don't try to be so panicked within that moment. Whatever you have learned, it obviously the right answer for you. In conclusion, the real-time practicing of IELTS listening will surely help you to make your IELTS listening better. So please be attentive and try to practice your IELTS listening at your home at the same pattern of BAC, AO and ITP. If you are not practicing all the thing in the same manner of the final exam, you can never get a good balance in your final exam. Thank you for joining me today. If you found these reels and these kind of information so authentic for yourselves, don't forget to subscribe our channel, because these kind of information will be at your top of the list if you be the part of our community where you can learn IELTS, PTE, Language Suite, ELT, Oxford, Duolingo, and these kind of stuff in a very free way. So keep in mind, stay connected and be the part of our language club.